In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the empirical rule, or at least one way of how to use the empirical rule. And first, before we do the problem, let's recall the empirical rule that states that if you have a bell shape, which is also known as a normal distribution, then 68% of the data will be within one standard deviation from the mu, or from the mean. 95% of the data will be within 2 standard deviations from the mean, and 99.7%, almost everything, will be within 3 standard deviations from the mean. So again, 68% here, 95% will be here, and 99.7% would be here. So that's the empirical rule, which, unlike Chebyshev's rule, only works for bell-shaped distributions. So to apply the empirical rule, what do we need? We need to know the mu. In this case, the mu is 169, and then we repeatedly add standard deviation, in this case 7.5, 176.5, add it again, 7.5 is going to be 184, add it again, we get 191.5, and subtract it. 169 minus 7.5 is 161.5. 161.5 minus 7.5, it's 154. 154 minus 7.5 is 146.5. And therefore, we're going to have 68% of the data here. 95% of the data will be here. And 99.7% of the data will be here. In those intervals. So to answer the question, use the empirical rule to approximate the percentage of heights of men between 146.5, which is here, and 191.5, which is here. By the empirical rule, the answer is 99.7. That's it. So let's get the credit for the problem. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to try a similar question, look for this link in the description of the video.